We all know how heartbreaking it is to see scratches and dents on our beloved cars, right? Here are the 5 best bumper guards I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ampulla GWP02S Garage Wall Protector. First up, we have the Ampulla GWP02S Garage Wall Protector, priced at $21.02. What caught my eye was its eco-friendly material and unique design, making it quite appealing. If you want a solid way to protect your car doors from garage bumps, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These protectors are made from high-density ethylene vinyl acetate, which means they're durable and won't leave marks on your walls when removed. The textured waterproof plastic surface is designed to prevent scratches, and the fact that they're cuttable makes them perfect for any space. With a universal fit, you can install them on curved surfaces or 90-degree walls. Now, some people complained about the adhesive not being strong enough. Here's the thing though, as long as you clean the surface beforehand, it sticks well and does the job. It's not a deal breaker if you follow the installation steps carefully. This is perfect for you if you park in a tight garage or want to avoid the dreaded door ding. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle extreme impacts though, as it's more of a preventative measure. Now, if the Ampulla's adhesive strength concerns you, the next product is designed for a bit more durability. Product number 2, Garage Wall Protector by Pick for Life. Next, we have the Garage Wall Protector from Pick for Life, priced at $32.42 for 2 rolls. The thick, self-adhesive foam caught my attention as it promises excellent protection for your vehicle. If you've been dealing with annoying scratches and dents, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The 1/4-inch thickness provides substantial cushioning against bumps, which means your car's doors and bumpers stay safe from everyday wear and tear. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clear many are trusting this product to protect their vehicles. The water-resistant and anti-abrasion properties ensure it will last. However, I noticed some customers found the installation a bit tricky. But honestly, once you peel off the backing and stick it on the wall, it's pretty simple. Just make sure the surface is clean for the best adhesion. This is perfect for you if you frequently park in tight spaces or your garage walls are prone to scrapes. Skip this one if you want something that works for curved surfaces, as it's best suited for flat walls. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for reducing scratches. Product number 3, Jekthon 4-Pack Car Bumper Guard. Coming in at number 3, we have the Jekthon 4-Pack Car Bumper Guard, priced at just $11.39. Its universal fit and sleek design really caught my attention. If you're looking for an affordable way to reduce scratches and cover existing ones, this is worth checking out. The cool thing about these guards is that they not only protect your bumpers but also enhance the overall look of your vehicle. Made from durable PVC rubber with a soft and elastic feel, they can absorb minor impacts. Plus, the double-sided 3M adhesive means they stick well on any car model. However, some users reported that they didn't adhere well on rough surfaces. But honestly, if your car's bumpers are relatively smooth, you'll be fine. They're lightweight and blend well with most designs, so I'd say it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a stylish yet functional way to protect your car. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand more significant impacts, as they're mainly for minor scratches and scuffs. Now, if you're looking for something with more impact protection, the next product really steps it up. Product number 4, VKQTS 5-Pack Bumper Guards. Next up is the VKQTS 5-Pack Anti-Collision Car Bumper Protector, priced at $18.99. The design caught my eye with its upgraded 6-hole shock absorption feature. If you want something that can handle minor collisions, this is definitely worth considering. With a length of 47.24 inches for the long protector, it fits most SUVs and trucks, making it versatile. Plus, the rubber material ensures it won't deform in extreme weather. That said, some customers mentioned that the adhesive could be stronger. Now, here's the thing, it does stick well if you apply it correctly and give it time to set, so just be patient with the installation. This is perfect for you if you have a larger vehicle and want solid protection against minor bumps. Skip this one if you're looking for something smaller or less noticeable, as these are quite visible once installed. Now, if you still need something for tight spaces, the final product will be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Gekwitlex Garage Wall Protector. Lastly, we have the Gekwitlex Garage Wall Protector priced at $20.26. What stood out to me was the bright yellow color. It really helps in warning you about potential hazards. If you want something that's both protective and visible, this is worth your time. The self-adhesive foam construction is designed for easy installation, allowing you to simply peel and stick to walls. This makes it perfect for preventing damage to your car doors when opening them in tight spaces. The thickness absorbs impacts well, and the reflective strips add an extra layer of safety. However, I did read some reviews where people felt the color might not match their garage aesthetic. But honestly, if it keeps your car safe, a little color clash is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want maximum visibility in your garage and solid protection. Skip this one if aesthetics are a priority for you, since the bright yellow might not blend with everyone's decor. So that wraps up the product reviews. We've covered 5 great bumper guards today. The Ampulla GWP02S is perfect for eco-friendly protection, while the Pick for Life rolls give you ample coverage. Jekthun's guards are budget-friendly, and VKQTS offers serious collision protection. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the VKQTS 5-pack because it combines durability and shock absorption effectively. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.